Today I'm going to show you how you can share projects in Taskade. So there are a number of ways of sharing a project. So I've got some of my my workspaces or my apps that I'm building, and I'm going to go into this one over here. And straight from here, if you click on the three dots, you'll be able to click on share app. And this is the simple way you're going to share the app completely. You can share it via a link, and then you can change the permissions. So either an editor, a checker, which will need to upgrade your plan on Taskade with, or a viewer. And once you've done that, you're going to click on copy link, and you'll be able to share the actual app or the project or the task. Now, if you want to do this via email, let's say that you want to add in a bunch of different emails, give it different permissions and click on send invite. And here you'll be able to, again, share that project. Now, if you go into the project, you'll be able to actually go at the top over here to workspace. And again, you'll be able to share different parts of the project. So wherever you're going in, let's say we're going into the social media content hub, we can go ahead over here and we can actually share it directly from here. You can also go up over here to these three dots, and again, you're going to share it directly from here. Now, if you'd like to invite somebody to actually work on this, okay, you're going to go in here and you are going to, let me just move this down. You're going to go in and you'll be able to click on the share icon over here, share this project, and you'll be able to invite a person to your team. And once you've done that, you can then assign that person to different projects within your workspace.